guys, today we're going to be talking about the NineBot Junior. So if you don't want to like go flying off the curb, or you like don't know how a scooter or an electric scooter works, so we're going to be talking about the NineBot Junior and like where your fleet placement is, and like where the power comes from, where you plug in the battery, and like the power where you brake. So our NineBot Junior is in kilometers. Yours can be in miles per hour. But so we're gonna go talk about this, and you guys can learn how. Hey guys, we're gonna be talking about foot placement. So like, you don't want to be like, I mean you can, but like I'm just gonna tell you a nice foot placement so you don't get off balance and fall. So let's get to it. Okay, so foot placement, you kind of want to be like if you guys use skateboards. So you kind of want to have this so you can have some like good balance, and you can like move your feet to control, and you also can use the steering. But you can go like this, you can kind of like twist it like this. My favorite is like this. You can go like this, but it's a little harder to balance. So this is the throttle. I like my hand here so I can like push this down. And so I made some indents so it feels more comfortable, so I can have like a feel where my hand is. You have to be at 5 kilometers an hour to get it started and moving electrically. This right here is the brake. It is a electric brake, so it will stop, and it will feel a little bit weird at first, but eventually you'll get used to it. And this is how you tell where the throttle is. So ours is in kilometers an hour, so you can change it to miles an hour, but ours is in kilometers mile an hour. So here's the mechanical brake. So if you're like riding on here, you can push this down and it will stop. Not as fast as the electric brake, but it still works and you can use it.